Hey guys, my name is Tanya and I am an esthetician here at Faces Day Spa. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys a couple of the services that we do here that can help bring out your natural beauty and really enhance the eye area. Let's face it, nobody really sees any other part of our face right now except for our eyes, so we might as well focus on those. Also, nobody really likes to wear makeup right now. It just gets everywhere, it smears everywhere, it's just not worth it. So if you can't go as far as doing the lash extensions and you don't really want to do makeup, this is a great option. We offer all of those things here and at our sister spa. So if you want to go those routes, you can do those too. However, today I'm only going to focus on the tinting and tinting our brows, tinting lashes, and also show you what a nice fresh brow wax and brow shape can do for your eyes and how it can make them stand out. My client Michelle is a natural blonde, so she's really going to get a lot from a little bit of tint on her brows and her lashes. You're going to see great before and after pictures. And these are just quick services that don't take much, and they only have to be done every 3 to 4 weeks. Come with me and I will show you how it is done. Okay, I'm here with my model Michelle, and we are going to start with a lash tint. So I'm going to show you the whole entire process. You do have to let this tint sit for about 10 minutes. So the video will be a little choppy, but you will see the before and after results. And I will go there now. So I'm going to have you open your eyes for me. And this is just a little Vaseline. This just keeps my little pad from slipping around on me, all right? This is a completely relaxing service. It doesn't sound like it is, but it actually is a relaxing service. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting these little pads, and these pads just keep the tint from getting on her skin, because we're going to offset, we're not just getting the upper lashes, we're getting the lower lashes as well. Alright, so that's step one. Okay, so we use a vegetable tint that is made specifically for your eye area, okay? What we're doing here is we're just painting it on the lashes. Earlier in my video, I said that the tint lasts 3 to 4 weeks, but in reality, what it is these, your lashes are constantly shedding. So the tint permanently stains the lash, and what happens is until your lash falls out and sheds and a new one grows in its place, you just don't really notice the tint is fading. So it's not so much that the tint is fading like hair color fades, it's just that your lashes are constantly shedding. So depends on how fast your lashes shed as to how often you have to have this done. I would say that most of my clients come about every 4 weeks to have their lashes tinted. All right, so we're going to do this on both eyes, and then the tint will just have to sit here for about 10 minutes. Her tint has been on her lashes for about 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and start removing them. It's a very simple process, and we just kind of go back and forth between dry and wet 4x4s here until they come completely clean, and I will show you the end result as soon as I'm done. Okay, so we have finished tinting her eyelashes, and now I'm just going to do a quick cleanup with her brows. She's got a great shaped brows, but you'll see a huge difference when you just kind of do a little cleanup. And then we're going to put, do you have any powder in your brows, Michelle?
No.
Okay, we're going to do just the tiniest bit of tint, but her brows are a little bit darker than I actually thought. So I'm probably just going to put most of the tint out here so that it looks like she's kind of filled them in really nice. And I will show you the end result with that in just a minute.